Welcome to the best picks. The best keto pancakes is probably one of the most exciting things to happen to the keto diet. For those of us who love pancakes but are committed to a low-carb lifestyle, these mixes are a game changer. They offer a convenient and delicious way to enjoy a classic breakfast without sacrificing our health goals. Today, we're diving deep into the world of keto pancake mixes, exploring what makes them great and how to choose the perfect one for you. Number 5. Carbquik Baking Mix 3 pounds box. Introducing Carbquik Baking Mix. This mix makes delicious biscuits easy to make. Just add water and you're ready to go. With this 3 pounds box, you can make up to 90 biscuits. It's perfect for sharing with family and friends, or enjoying all by yourself. This mix has 90% less carbs than traditional Bisquick. It is a great choice for those watching their carb intake. Each biscuit contains only 2 g of net carbs. It is a guilt-free treat that you can enjoy anytime. It's also packed with high fiber and protein, and low in sodium. It is a healthier option for your baking needs. Find 9 different recipes on the box. It offers a variety of ways to enjoy this versatile baking mix. What we like. This mix boasts 90% fewer carbs than traditional options, making it a great choice for those watching their carb intake. It's also high in fiber, which is great for your digestive health. If you're looking for a versatile mix with multiple recipe options, this is the one for you. What people say. Makes a great substitution and makes really good pizza dough, pancakes, biscuits, and more. I've been using Carbquik for a while now and it's become a staple in my kitchen for low-carb baking. The texture is a bit different from regular flour, but that's typical for low-carb alternatives. I've made waffles, biscuits, and pizza crusts, and they all turned out great. Number 4. Birch Bender's Keto Pancake and Waffle Mix, 3-pack. Introducing a new way to enjoy your favorite breakfast. This mix from Birch Bender's is designed for the future of pancakes and waffles. It's a delicious and convenient option for those following a keto lifestyle. This mix is gluten-free and contains no added sugar. It's perfect for anyone looking for a healthy and tasty breakfast. You can enjoy delicious pancakes and waffles without compromising your dietary needs. Each serving offers 6 g of net carbs, 6 g of protein, and 9 g of fiber. It's made with almond and tiger nut flour, providing a good source of nutrients. It's a great way to start your day with a balanced meal. Preparing these pancakes and waffles is incredibly easy. You just need to add water, no eggs or milk required. The resealable pouch keeps the mix fresh for your next use. Enjoy the convenience and great taste of this mix. It's a perfect choice for anyone seeking a keto-friendly and easy-to-make breakfast. Try it today and experience the difference. What we like. This mix is gluten-free and packed with protein, perfect for a healthy start to your day. It's also incredibly convenient, requiring only water to prepare. If you are looking for a quick and easy keto-friendly breakfast, this is a great choice. What people say. These pancakes were absolutely delicious. They did not crumble or fall apart. They were not gritty. Number 3. Birch Bender's Paleo Pancake and Waffle Mix. Introducing Birch Bender's Paleo Pancake and Waffle Mix. This mix is perfect for anyone following a paleo or gluten-free diet. It's a delicious and convenient way to enjoy pancakes and waffles. Made with unique ingredients sourced from around the globe, it offers a great taste. It's designed to provide a satisfying meal for a modern lifestyle. Each serving provides 5 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber. This mix gives you the nutritional fuel you need for a lean and high-performance lifestyle. Preparation is incredibly easy. Just add water to the mix, stir, and cook. No eggs or milk are needed, making it a quick and simple breakfast option. The resealable bag keeps the mix fresh. You can use it all at once or save some for later, ensuring you always have a convenient breakfast option. This mix is compatible with paleo and gluten-free diets. It's also kosher, making it a versatile choice for various dietary needs. What we like. This mix is designed for those following a paleo diet, offering unique ingredients. It's incredibly easy to make, requiring only water. The resealable pouch keeps it fresh for next time. If you like the paleo diet, this is a perfect choice for you. What people say. Tired the recipe as recommended on the package a few times. It's super simple. You just add water if you are making pancakes. If making waffles, it is recommended to add a small amount of fat. They like coconut oil. The waffles were amazing. They were fluffy and satisfying. They were slightly crunchy on the outside and spongy on the inside. The cooked pancakes had just the right amount of sweetness. Very easy to prepare, and pancakes turned out really fluffy. Number 2. King Arthur Keto Pancake Mix. Start your day with a delicious and healthy breakfast. This mix is designed for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. It's easy to make and packed with flavor. Enjoy fluffy pancakes without the guilt. With only 2 grams of net carbs per serving, this mix helps you stay on track with your nutritional goals. It's a perfect way to satisfy your cravings. Fuel your body with a protein-packed breakfast. This mix supports muscle health and keeps you feeling full longer. It's great for a satisfying breakfast or post-workout meal. Create both pancakes and waffles with ease. Simply add water to the mix and cook to perfection. This pouch makes it easy to enjoy a quick and tasty meal. Made with high-quality ingredients, this mix ensures a great taste. It's non-GMO and kosher certified, meeting high standards. You can trust the quality in every bite. From America's oldest flour company, you can trust the quality. As a 100% employee-owned business, they are committed to providing the best baking products. Try it today. What we like. This mix offers a low-carb delight with only 2 grams of net carbs per serving. It also provides a high-protein boost to keep you feeling fuller for longer. If you are looking for a trusted brand with quality ingredients, you should consider this. What people say. These pancakes turn out fluffy, light, and full of flavor every single time. Just add water, give it a quick stir, and you're ready to go. The pancakes cooked easily and ended up fluffy. Number 1. Birch Bender's Keto Pancake and Waffle Mix. Introducing Birch Bender's Keto Pancake and Waffle Mix. This mix comes in 2 delicious flavors, chocolate chip and original. It's perfect for anyone looking for a low-carb, high-protein, and gluten-free breakfast option. This mix is designed to meet your macros. With only 6 net carbs per serving, you can enjoy your favorite breakfast again without the guilt. It's also gluten-free, BPA-free, and kosher. Each pack includes 2 10-ounce pouches of the mix. One is the chocolate chip flavor, and the other is the original. You'll have plenty to make delicious pancakes and waffles. Making these pancakes and waffles is incredibly easy. Just add water. No eggs or milk are necessary. It's a quick and convenient way to enjoy a tasty and healthy breakfast. Start your day off right with Birch Bender's Keto Pancake and Waffle Mix. It's a delicious and convenient way to enjoy a keto-friendly breakfast. Try it today. What we like. This mix comes with a delicious chocolate chip option, making breakfast even more enjoyable. It's gluten-free and has no added sugar, perfect for those watching their sugar intake. If you like chocolate chip pancakes, this is the one for you. What people say. All you do is add water. Low carb, some with higher protein. Perfect consistency of a healthy, great tasting pancake. I have tried many different keto pancake mixes, and usually, it's a hit or miss. Most of them are bad, but these ones are the best I've tried so far. I've only tried the chocolate chip flavor, and it is delicious. The texture, consistency, and moistness give these pancakes an authentic feel, because when you want pancakes, you want real pancakes, not circular pieces of cardboard. These taste great and are simple to make. Make the dough thick and cook them on a lower heat for a longer time than you would for a traditional pancake. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.